Bestie, if you've ever saved a bunch of lose weight fast videos, planned everything in your head, and then did nothing the next day, this is for you. One day you're motivated, the next you're tired, scrolling, snacking, and saying you'll start tomorrow. And I know you might think you need a strict routine, but that's what makes it harder. What if it was just small habits you can do at home that actually change your body? That's what we're doing today. 1. Fix your eating habits. Bestie, I know you might think that losing weight means starving yourself or cutting out everything you love, but that's literally where most people go wrong. Like, why do people do this to themselves and then wonder why they can't stick to it? Instead of doing all that, just fix your eating habits in a way that actually feels normal. First things first, don't skip meals thinking you're being disciplined, because girl, all that does is make you super hungry later, and then you end up eating way more without even realizing it. Once that's clear, let's talk about what you actually eat, because your meals should include protein, carbs, and fiber so your body feels satisfied and not constantly searching for snacks. For example, instead of just snacking randomly, have a full meal with meat, rice, and veggies, so it can actually keep you full for longer. Now, moving on to portions, you don't need to cut foods completely. That just makes you crave them more. Just reduce your portion, and you're good. By using a smaller plate, you can reduce your portions without even realizing it. Another small shift that changes everything is stopping when you're about 80% full instead of completely stuffed, because that's actually enough for your body. Eating more than 80% can make you feel tired and sleepy, and we don't want that feeling. And finally, one thing people ignore, but it matters a lot. Stop eating while scrolling, because when you're distracted, you don't even realize how much you're eating. And then you wonder, why did the food disappear? So, eat your food with focus. 2. Move your body daily. Okay, bestie, let's talk about movement, because I know you might think you need a gym or some crazy workout routine to lose weight, and that's just not true. That idea honestly scares so many people, and then they don't even start. Girl, simple movement done daily is way more effective than going all out for 2 days and then quitting. So, starting with the easiest option, walking is literally one of the most underrated things ever. Like 30 to 60 minutes a day can actually change your body over time. And no, you don't have to do it all at once. You can split it up however you want, like a walk after meals or just moving around more during the day. Once you're comfortable with that, you can add short home workouts like 10 to 20 minutes, which is honestly more than enough. The real goal here is consistency, not intensity, because that's what people get wrong all the time. 3. Control cravings and snacking. Now, cravings, because girl, this is where things get real. A lot of people think they have no control over cravings, but that's not true. You just need to handle them smarter. So, starting with the simplest trick, when you feel hungry, drink water first and see if you're actually just thirsty, because that happens more than you think. If the craving is still there, instead of reacting immediately, wait 10 to 15 minutes and give your body time, because most cravings are temporary. Now, let's talk about your environment, because if junk food is right in front of you, you're obviously going to eat it, so just keep it out of easy reach. But at the same time, don't make it too strict where you feel deprived, because that's what leads to overeating later. If you're craving something a lot, just have a small portion and move on. It's not that deep. Like, instead of eating a whole packet of chips, take a small bowl and enjoy it properly. And finally, make sure you're eating proper meals during the day, because when your body is actually full, your cravings naturally reduce. And one more thing, bestie. Let's talk about sugary drinks for a second, because they're so easy to ignore. You might feel like you're eating fine, but drinks like soda, packaged juices, or sweetened milk teas add a lot of extra calories without even filling you up. And the worst part is, you don't even realize how much you're having, so it's better to avoid them. 4. Fix your daily routine. This one is so underrated, like people don't even realize how much their daily routine affects their body. Girl, if you're not sleeping properly, your body is literally going to feel more hungry and crave unhealthy food, and then you're confused why nothing is working. That's what is wrong. People ignore the basics and focus on complicated stuff. So, starting with sleep, Try to get around 7 to 9 hours because it actually helps your body regulate hunger and energy. Once that's sorted, stop staying up late scrolling for no reason because that not only ruins your sleep, but also leads to random late-night eating. Now, moving on to your eating timing, try to eat at regular times so your body stays in a rhythm instead of feeling confused. Another small but powerful habit is to stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed because your body doesn't need extra energy when you're about to sleep. And let's be honest, late-night snacking is rarely real hunger. It's just boredom or habit. When you fix your routine, everything starts feeling more stable and easier without forcing anything. 5. Focus on long-term consistency. Okay, this is the most important one. So listen carefully. I know you might think you need to be perfect to see results, but bestie, that mindset is exactly why people quit. So first, understand this clearly. One bad day does not ruin anything unless you let it turn into a whole bad week or a month. If you overeat or skip a workout, it's fine. Just go back to normal the next day without overthinking it. You are not going to gain 10 pounds by eating pizza once in a while, so don't let it discourage you from your long-term goal. Now let's talk about something people do all the time, restarting their diet every week like it's some kind of reset button, and honestly, that's what is wrong. You're not giving your body time to actually adjust. Instead of doing that, just build habits slowly so they become part of your life. You're not trying to lose weight for a few weeks. You're trying to become a healthier version of yourself long-term. And once you shift your focus from quick results to consistency, everything starts feeling easier and more natural. And that's it. At the end of the day, this is not just about weight loss. It's about how you see yourself and your lifestyle. So instead of thinking, I need to lose weight fast, try shifting to, I want to take better care of myself. I know it sounds simple, but that one change in thinking makes everything easier. When your mindset changes, your actions follow naturally without pressure. Just keep things simple, stay consistent, and trust the process because, girl, that's what actually works in the long run. You don't need to rush or force anything. Just keep showing up in simple ways and let it build over time. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's completely normal. Just don't quit on yourself. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.